You are beautiful, Simi. I would love to meet you privately. Don't worry, I will make it worth your time.
You are beautiful, Simi. I would love to meet you privately and make it worth your time. Wow. Mm, okay. I'm, I am not. I don't do hookup. Okay, let me just reply like this. I'm not really into hookup.
I'm not into hookup. Okay. Um, uh,
It's evil typing. No.
I will respect your privacy. Dinner privacy. No pressure. 150K for your time. Let's see. I was better.
I'm not like that. I will respect your boundaries. Just want to see you. Dinner, privacy, no pressure. 150K. Wow, 150K. It's huge. 50K.